Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be doing a vidIQ review and tutorial. My name is Chad Rippey. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can see more content like this where I help you start an online business from scratch. And be sure and watch till the end because I'm going to give you my #1 recommendation for starting an online business using proven methods. So let's get started today with the vidIQ review and tutorial. Right here I'm on the members page, and I just wanted to start here because vidIQ is a tremendous tool. It's very robust, but they do offer a free membership and a monthly payment plan membership. I highly recommend at least getting the free membership. It's a no-brainer. You got to get it. So I chose to do a small membership plan because I'm new to uploading content to YouTube. I need all the help I can get. And so they got this academy that I can go to and watch videos and tutorials. And so it just helps me ensure that I'm doing all that I can be to grow my channel and make sure I'm giving good content so that you'll come back and watch more. So quickly we'll move over to YouTube here. And so basically what you want to do is you want to come up with an idea of what you might want to be doing a video on. And you just simply go to the search bar here. My last video happened to be on Legendary Marketer. I did a review, but you can see here, if you just type in Legendary Marketer, it's going to give you the highest rated searched words. And I'm wanting to do a review, and that happens to be one of the higher searched terms. And so I'll just click here, and what vidIQ is going to do for me is got this little button here I can enable so that I can get keywords. And where that's going to show up is you can see this video here has got 1,700 views. This one's got 5,400. This one's got 16,000. And so, you know, with this having 16,000, obviously he's getting a lot of viewership. Just down here, there's 36,000. And so I'm going to look in here and see what tag words, what keywords they were using so that I can include them in my description, my title, my thumbnail, and the speech that I'm using in my video to make sure that I optimize my video and get discovered with the best chances possible. So anyways, you can copy those here to your clipboard, and then you'll have those and you can move them over. So vidIQ is also going to provide for you the highest views. You see 110,000 here. Average views is 15,000, which is great on a video like this. Excuse me. Then you can go down here, and I like this. It gives you the top creator for this search. So I can go to Ryan's channel, kind of see what he did, get some ideas, maybe some details on the description, the thumbnail, all that good stuff. So that'll help me in getting discovered in my video. I'm not going to copy what he's doing, but I'm going to get some details from what he's doing and see if I can do stuff that's similar to help me get ranked high. Another thing you're going to get, which is very helpful, is this overall score, which is very helpful, especially when you're looking to upload content. You want to make sure that it's, you know, not, well, you want to make sure it's in the green in volume. That means a lot of people are searching for that topic or that subject. And then you want to make sure that the competition is in green, meaning you don't have an influx of people doing the same video. So you want to make sure lots of people are looking and not as many people are providing that content. That way you'll have a more likelihood of being viewed. Real quick, I'm going to move myself over here for what I'll be doing next. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my channel. I would have started here in the videos. And so I'll just, again, stick with the Legendary Marketer review. Real quick, as you can see, I can scroll down on each of these videos and it's going to have this icon, this drop down menu. So I can go from that video, I can copy cards, end screens. I've got an advanced embed. I can send it straight to Facebook. I can do a thumbnail editor, which is fantastic for someone like me. Ironically, I haven't used it yet because the videos I've already got ready for the next few weeks, I already have thumbnails. But I have looked at this, and basically you can take a still shot of your video, put a background on there, add text. So it's a great tool, so you don't have to invest money in anything else. You got that right there. And another drop-down window here. Got the CSV export, mass edit videos, mass edit cards and end screens, description campaigns. And then everywhere you go on YouTube with vidIQ, you're going to see the basically the analytics of your channel, kind of the heartbeat of your channel, what's going on, how many hours watched, kind of views over a certain amount of period of time, average minutes watched, all that good stuff. So then if we go ahead and click on this video, a little bit of details on getting in this video. So just kind of put yourself in my position as a beginner. I know not everyone's going to be a beginner, some are going to be intermediate, but this program is going to be good for everybody. Obviously, it's a no-brainer for beginners because it gives you suggestions, it gives you tools, it gives you analytics, gives you all the tools you need to to be successful in the SEO, which is what you want, because you want to be discovered, you want people watching you, you want your subscribers watching you, you want to be discovered. But with an experienced person, the analytics is still going to be helpful. For a beginner, it's necessary because I don't know what I need to be doing to be discovered or to be relevant, to be honest with you. So this has been a fantastic tool. It gives me all these suggestions for keywords in my title, suggestions for keywords in my description. If you scroll down here, it gives you suggestions for tags. Sometimes there's tags I know I want to use, so I start putting those in, then it'll give me suggestions. It gives you a rating to let you know, how they're rating as far as search words. So, I've got some here in the 70s, I've got a few in the 40s, but I can use 500 characters. I've used 490, which is good. Scroll back up here a little bit. Say I've got 3 thumbnails that I'm considering and I'm not sure which one to use. Well, I can put it in here and do this little comparison thing. Okay, if I use this thumbnail, where am I going to rank in the search? Well, based on the search with my thumbnail, I'm going to rank pretty well. So, I'll try out the other ones. If they don't perform any better, I'll just pick one that I prefer. If one performs better than the other, then obviously I'm going to choose that one. You can do the same thing with keyword. So the main thing I'm doing here is I'm doing a legendary marketer review. So I want to see, well, how does that rank? If I'm using that in my title and my thumbnail and my description and my speech and my video, how am I going to perform? So I'll just click here. Again, I'm going to rank pretty well, so I'm pleased with that. So vidIQ is also going to tell you your peak time for uploading, well, for viewership, and they recommend that in the peak viewership, that's when you upload. Okay, then down here, so this is a great tool. They score you for the things that you have prepared for uploading. So I've got a 5 of 5 for the tag count, tag volume, keywords in title, keywords in description, tripled keywords. So I'm missing a couple down here. I'm surprised about the ranking on the tag words because I used it quite a bit. But anyway, so that's the score they're giving me. It just kind of gives me a pulse of where I'm at on optimization. And then they give you a checklist. Are you doing these things to optimize your video as much as you can? Some of the things I'm pretty sure I did, the card, the sharing to Twitter, so I'm not sure why that's not showing up. But anyways, again, for someone like me, this is so crucial because I need to know what should I be doing to optimize my viewership, which is what I want. I want to get viewers. I want to get watch time. I want to get new subscribers. I want to be discovered. So all this is super helpful. So from there, we're going to go down to this menu bar, and you see right here, vidIQ provides these items here. First, we're going to start with competitors. This is a great tool. So basically, these are people I follow, but they're also competitors. In part, I want to know what they're doing. I want to learn from them. I want to find out what kind of content they're providing. Well, when I list them in my competitor section in vidIQ, vidIQ is going to let me know, or I'm sorry, I can find out if they have some content that they've uploaded that's trending. Because if it's trending, I want to ride that wave. Basically, I want to upload similar content. If you have an idea of something you would like to upload, some content, but you're not sure if you're ready or if it'll do well right now, well, what you can do is go to trend alerts, put in that keyword that you're thinking of doing some content on, put it in trend alerts, and it'll let you know if any of your competitors are doing some content on this particular topic or keyword and it's trending, because then you'll know, okay, I need to go ahead and do a video on this. Then you've got a channel audit, which is great for me. I love to see positive numbers as far as views month over month. Then you got subscribers month over month, watch time month over month. And then here you can see, what are my viewers watching? What are my subscribers watching? What are they interested in? What playlist are they interested in? That way I can make sure and focus on the things that they're interested in. So I'm providing content that they want, that they like, and avoiding any areas where they're really not interested in stuff that I'm posting. Over here, I can see what are my competitors uploading that my viewers and subscribers are interested in. So if there's something I haven't done that my viewers are interested in, I need to be doing something about that. Over here, again, as a beginner, a newbie, probably more important to me than experts or more seasoned YouTubers, but they've got this little achievement bar. You can see when you've reached a certain level of subscribers or views or uploads, likes, hours watched, comments. So just something, good for us newbies. Then you got the vidIQ Academy, which I mentioned at the start. So that kind of gives you just a brief vidIQ tutorial and review, kind of introduce you to it. I highly recommend it, especially if you're a beginner or intermediate. It's a fantastic tool. So, if that was beneficial to you, be sure to hit the like button. If you found a tool that you like better, I know some people use TubeBuddy, or if maybe this has been the first time you've been introduced to this and you found this helpful, or maybe you could give me some information about it that I didn't mention. Be sure and comment in the comments below. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I told you I would let you know what my number one recommendation is for starting an online business. And with this, it's a program that has proven methods. My number one recommendation is Legendary Marketer. And the reason being is because the entry cost is so cheap. It's only $7 to go through this 15-day challenge. You can see I've gone through it. All the days have been unlocked. You can go at a faster pace. You don't have to wait for a full 24 hours a day to go to the next day. You just have to complete the task for that day. You're going to go through a business plan that a virtual business advisor is going to go through with you. You get to meet with them one-on-one. When I say virtual, it's a live virtual meeting with an advisor, no additional cost. They have great programs that you can purchase some blueprints. It's not required. I did buy some because they're just such great value. But the idea being that you get such tremendous value, and you're going to learn skills that you can apply to any business, whether it be a online business for affiliate marketing, network marketing. You can apply this to a brick and mortar business, and those skills you learn, you take with you, and you get this for $7. So especially for beginners, newbies into the online business, teenagers that are looking to build a career right out of high school, or they tried college and just didn't work for them. I know that's the case for a lot. So anyways, that's my number one recommendation. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the like button. If you'd like to see more content, I would love your support in hitting the subscribe button. And I appreciate you joining me today, and we'll see you on the next one.